Hi friends, this is Legal Matter. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Be ready. One, two, three, start. These writ petitions raise common questions with regard to the constitutional validity of Rule 8 within bracket 2 bracket close within bracket a bracket close of the Rajasthan Service Rules, 1951 within bracket hereinafter referred to as the rules bracket close and therefore they are being disposed of by this common order stop para. The petitioners in all these writ petitions are employees of the government of Rajasthan and have joined the service prior to 1st January 1979. The petitioners applied for correction of their date of birth entry in their service record stop in SBCW number 634 of 1982. The aforesaid request of the petitioner was rejected by the order of the Superintendent of Police dated 11th August, 1981, feeling aggrieved by the aforesaid order, the said petitioner filed an appeal before the Rajasthan Civil Services Appellate Tribunal, Rajasthan, Jaipur within bracket hereinafter referred to as the Tribunal bracket close, but the said appeal of the petitioner was dismissed by the tribunal on the ground that in view of the amended Rule 8 of the rules, no correction can be made in the service book as it stood on 24th January, 1979 stop. In other writ petitions, the representations of the petitioners for correction of the date of birth as entered in the service book were rejected by the authorities on the ground that in view of the amended Rule 8 of the rules, such an alteration cannot be made after 24th January, 1979 stop. The petitioners in these writ petitions have challenged the constitutional validity of Rule 8 within bracket 2 bracket close within bracket a bracket close, which was inserted in the rules by notification dated 24th January, 1979 stop para. By the aforesaid notification dated 24th January, 1979, the following amendments were made in the rules within bracket first bracket close in Rule 7, Note number 2, which was inserted by the circular of the government of Rajasthan dated 26 April, 1958, and the government of Rajasthan decision number 2 appearing below sub rule within bracket 1 bracket close were deleted, within bracket second bracket close the existing Rule 8 was renumbered as sub rule within bracket 1 bracket close of Rule 8 stop. Within bracket 3 bracket close sub rule within bracket 2 bracket close was inserted in Rule 8 stop. The said sub rule 8 of Rule 8 reads as under stop para within bracket 2 bracket close within bracket a bracket close in relation to a person already in the service of the government on 1/1/1979, the service book / service roll shall be accepted by the state government as date of birth of such person, irrespective of the basis or authority on which it was entered. Stop. The date of birth so recorded and accepted shall not be changed subsequently on the basis of high/secondary/higher secondary school certificate or in the first certificate issued by any board of education, etc., irrespective of whether it is advantageous to him or not. Stop para. Within bracket b bracket close within bracket first bracket close in relation to a person appointed on or after 1/1/1979, the age of a government servant for the purpose of this rule shall be determined with reference to the date of birth entered in the high/secondary/higher secondary school certificate or in the first certificate issued by the Board of Education, where the minimum qualification prescribed for the post under government is matriculation or secondary or higher secondary or any other diploma or certificate recognized and declared by the government equivalent thereto and above stop para within bracket second bracket close the date of birth entered in the high school slash secondary slash higher secondary school certificate or in the first certificate issued by a board of education shall be mentioned in the order of appointment issued by the competent authority stop para within bracket third bracket close where the minimum qualifications prescribed for appointments post under government is below secondary slash higher secondary or equivalent the date of birth shall be determined with reference to the certificate of date of birth issued by the municipality or panchayat or school according to the entry made in their respective records comma and in the event of non-availability of the aforesaid certificate comma the date of birth declared by the applicant at the time of first appointment may be accepted stop